Hi friends, this video shows how to test charging cable. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First open this Members app, Samsung Members app. If you are not able to see this app in your mobile phone, then you have to install it from Play Store or Samsung App Store. Let me open this Members app. Go down, select support, tap on the support button. Select phone diagnostics. So here we can see list of tests. From this list, select cable charging. Then we have to connect the charging cable. It's waiting for the cable to connect. After that, it will start the testing. Okay, so if you are connected, you can select yes. So it's saying cable charging not working because in my case I haven't connected that cable. In your case, you can connect the charging cable and test it and see what it says. So this way we can easily test charging cable using this Samsung Members app. So please check it.